First of all, make sure you are solving the cross on the bottom every time. If you do it on the top, that will slow down because you won't be able to look ahead and you have to do rotation after you finish the cross. And now I'm going to teach you 6 tips to help you with your cross. So this is a very basic idea, but I still see a lot of people do it. So you have to make sure that you solve the cross and then align all of the colors. So for example, we have orange with the green center, and here we have blue or the orange center. So what that means is blue goes to the right of orange. So since instead of solving orange, taking out blue and then inserting blue like that, instead you can just solve the blue and then move it over like that. So here's the same cross again, and we will be doing the entire cross this time. So here is orange to the right of orange and blue to the right of blue, and the right of blue should be red, and lastly we have green, which goes to the right of red. Now let's do the entire cross solution. Then after we have solved the entire cross, you are going to align all of the colors. So the 3 move insert is when you have a cross edge like this and the top layer. So what is facing to the side, not to the top, and then it needs to go over here, and you can do this. So if the cross edges on the right side, you can do the same thing. So you can use the insertion of one piece in order to insert another one piece at the same time. And when you have a cross piece that can be inserted in one move, instead of doing the blue like that and do the red one like this with the 3 move, instead you can just put the red one on top of the blue one here, and then move the blue one down like that and move the red one down. Let's take a look at this cross. We have all the pieces done except for the blue one. Now, how should we insert this blue? So there's 2 ways of doing it. One is to remove the blue piece and then insert it now. But the better way is to do, instead of moving the blue piece, let's move the entire cross, because you know you can get the blue one into here in 2 moves. And then align the colors. So here's another example. There are 3 soft, and we want to solve the red one, and it needs to get over here. So the thing you should do is move the cross to here and get the red one into the empty spot, and then move the cross back. So this is very important to plan out the cross because it can help you to solve faster. So here's the example. We see green and white. It can go here, and then blue could come into here because blue is on the right of orange, and then orange can go into here because orange is on the right of left, and red we can do it later. So here's how you do it. Then put the orange in, turn the blue and align it, the orange and the blue, and then put the green and the orange. Here are some examples of. I will do a total of 4 examples of. I will only do the cross. Alright, so here's the first scramble. And remember to scramble white on the top and green on the front. So here's the first scramble. And now orange should go to the right and blue should go to the right, and we can move green to orange to red here, and okay, let's do that first. Then bring the green to the red, and now bring the red to the blue, and now align it all. Here's the second scramble. So blue go to the left, and we can insert red into green because red also goes to the left. So insert it, and now we can insert the green to the orange. And we can align it. And we have the last piece. Move the bottom layer and then move this piece in and then solve the entire cross. So here's the third scramble. And now we can move this orange down to white. Before we move it down, we move red out of the way and then move this orange back. And now we can do the red. And lastly, we can solve the green. Here's the last scramble. And now we see green, and we move green down, and we move green to the blue because it takes 2 moves to get to green, and move blue down, and now move orange down because it used 2 moves to get to orange. And lastly, insert the red. If you are interested in the next step, it's called F2L. So that's going to be the next video. And if you just want to see a preview, here's how it works. This F2L can solve both the corners and the edge. So it goes like this. If you are interested, you can click here.